Okay, so we'll start with the homework first. 3b, 4x plus 1 and x plus 3. Split the first, repeat the second. 4x and plus 1, they're split up. And x plus 3 is repeated. So the 4x, so we take this one first. 4x is multiplied by x, and 4x is multiplied by 3. And then we'll take the next one. Plus 1 is multiplied by x, and plus 1 is multiplied by 3. Okay, we multiplied out 4x squared plus 12x plus just 1x plus 3. We can collect these like terms, so our answer is 4x squared plus 13x plus 3. 3c, 5x minus 4 and x plus 1. Split the first, repeat the second. Five x is multiplied by x, and 5x is multiplied by 1. And the next one, minus 4 is multiplied by x, and minus 4 is multiplied by 1. So we end up with 5x squared plus 5x minus 4x minus 4. I can collect these two like terms together. So my answer is 5x squared plus x minus 4. Okay, let's get rid of that one. So 3D. 3x minus 7 and 2x plus 3. 3x is split, and we repeat 2x plus 3. We'll take the first one. X is multiplied by 2x, and 3x is multiplied by 3. Minus 7 is multiplied by 2x, and minus 7 is multiplied by 3. So we then get 6x squared plus 9x minus 14x. That should be a minus 21. And our answer is 6x squared minus 5x minus 21. 3e then. We've 2b plus 3 and 4b minus 2. We split the first, and we repeat the second. Two b is multiplied by 4b, and 2b is multiplied by minus 2. 3 is multiplied by 4b, and plus 3 is multiplied by minus 2. 8b squared minus 4b plus 12b minus 6. Collect these two terms together, and our answer is 8b squared plus 8b minus 6. Okay, so we're moving on to writing expressions. Some problems can be written in words instead of numbers and letters. If 5 times a number plus 4 is equal to 39, what is the number? So if 5 times a certain number, we let x be that number that we don't know. So if we have 5 times x plus 4 is equal to 39, okay, that would be written as 5 times a number, I'm just going to write that as x, plus 4 equals 39. Okay, and we could end up, we'll be doing linear expressions as well. We would end up being able to work out what x is. So by letting x be equal to the unknown number, we can begin the process of trying to find out what that unknown number is. Okay, so in order to do that, we need to start practicing about changing words into algebraic expressions. Okay, so let's have a look at this example. Molly gives her brother Chung 2 sweets every day starting today. Calculate the number of sweets she has given her brother after 2 days, after 7 days, and after D days. So the last one there, we don't know what that is. Okay, so she gives her brother 2 sweets every day starting today. So if she gives her brother 2 sweets, in 2 days' time, she will have 2 sweets for each day multiplied by 2 days. She'll have given her brother 4 sweets. Okay, so after 7 days, she's given her brother 2 sweets a day. In 7 days' time, she's going to have 14 sweets. And the last one, still giving her brother 2 sweets every day. We don't know how many days. It's called D. We don't know. So she will have 2D sweets. That's the answer. We're using algebra to substitute in for the numbers that we don't know. Okay, so I'm going to do question 1 for you, and you're going to be doing question 2 and 3 for homework. So 1A, we are saying here, if x is a number, so we don't know what the number is, we're going to say it's x instead. So anywhere you see the number, you write x. So you're writing an expression for each of the following. The number plus 2. We're writing an expression. We're not solving, we're just writing an expression. 1B, the number minus 10. 5 added to the number. 2 subtracted from the number. So that's the number minus 2. The number subtracted from 11. So 11 minus the number. Okay? And the last part, we're told to check that our expressions are correct by letting x equal to 2. So for the first one, 1A, we're going to substitute 2 in for x. We get 4. For B, we're substituting 2 in for x. We'll get minus 8. For C, we're substituting 2 in for x. We're going to get 7. For D, we get 0. And E, and we're getting 9. So the first part, over here, the number is x. X plus 2. X minus 10. 5 plus x. 2 subtracted from the number. So it has to start with the x and you're taking 2 from it. And the number subtracted from 11, you have to start with 11 and you're taking x from it. Okay, so for number 2, we'll start with 2A. So now we've got 2 times the number. So times means multiply. And in algebra, remember, we don't write the multiplication sign because it will get too confusing. So 2 times the number, this time y is the number. So 2a will just be 2y. For part B, 3 times the number. For part C, 4 times the number. Then add 5. For D, the number squared. The number squared. Half the number. So that's the number divided by 2, which is half of it. And 5 times the number squared. So 5 times the number squared. And that's how we write those expressions. Okay? Now, I want you to check the expressions are correct. And you're going to let y equal to 4. So I'm going to sub in 4 for y. Okay? You're also going to have a look at these ones in question 3. You're converting the following to words. So you're going to write, what does that mean? It means y squared. That's part A. And then you're going to have a go at question 4 as well.